be able to change those composite functions. Let's say that there was a generate report in each one of these. And we want to set it up so that I can change what generate report does without changing the code in these guys and without using a visitor. Write it in C and use function pointers. No. Any other ideas? What else might we be able to do with this? Let me give you a little hint. What if each of these nodes represented by an interface? What's that? So one thing is you could provide more readable state and then build things on top of them. Not really what I'm thinking of. So I want to be able to really change what happens on generate. So let's say that there's a generate report in each of these, and maybe and each of these nodes is represented by an interface, and life is peachy. Go ahead. You can decorate them. What if we decorated these nodes? What if we had a decorator for each of these that implements that interface and delegates everything through but overrides the generate? So each one of these guys would have a little decorator around them, which is going to double the amount of objects you have, right? But these are really thin objects. And they have that new functionality on it. There's a couple things you got to worry about on this. The big question is, how did I generate this data structure? If I can generate this data structure, if my application is the one that's actually creating these objects and hooking them up, kind of like my application does right now, then this can work. You can just, before you actually call your add, decorate them and pass them around. And that way when they talk to each other to call that generate method, they're actually calling the decorator